All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show the guys actually how I use ice light. So we've decided to do some continuous light here. It's going to make it a lot easier for everyone to get a shot off. So I'm going to use 2 ice lights, and I'll explain why in a minute. I want to use one basically to light Kiara's hair up, and then the other one is actually going to be used to light Kiara up from the front. Now I am using these barn doors because that way we can control the light and the spill that actually comes in. So basically what I'm going to do is this. So what I'm going to do, guys, is this. I'm going to turn this on. Now you can see here that if you look at where Kiara is, I'm going to get someone basically who's going to stand over this section over here with the light. Now I can control where this goes. Now you can see how if I go over there, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to avoid this part being lit up. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to control, see how that moves where the lighting is actually hitting. And then again, I'm just going to basically control that so it's sitting right there with Kiara. Now it's nice to sort of come up a little bit like that. So Karen, do you want to hold that for me? Now the second light, what I might do, I'm just going to have a look and see what if we need it. Now the second light, we can give Kiara a little bit of fill from the back. All right, so we can come over here. Can you see that that makes a difference with Kiara's face for a bit of separation? There, can you see that? All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to shoot basically from over there because I want to get this whole sort of area in. And I might just try, I'll get someone basically, if someone wants to come over here and hold that for now, and then we'll change over, all right? All right, now all we're going to do is I'm going to adjust for ambient. Now remember, now that we're shooting ambient exposure, all you really have to do is get the exposure right in camera. So basically what I'm going to do here, yep, that's perfect. So I'm going to shoot still 1.8. And I'm still on 1/25 of a second, believe it or not, in ISO 400. I'm going to take a look and just see what that's like, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah, that's lovely. All right, Kiara, so just give us a bit of attitude. Sit sort of on the seat like that. That's it. I love it. Now you guys, if you're happy with your exposure, can basically just all fire away now. That's the beauty of this now. So as long as we don't get in the way of that light. And again, if you want to, you can do the same thing, just move in. As long as you don't get in the way of the camera and these lights, we can also move in and grab some. Now I'm going to bump up the ISO a bit more, I think. I'm going to go to 500. That's beautiful, Kiara. Don't forget too, one of the important things too is to have communication with Kiara. Tell her how beautiful she looks. Say, that's amazing, that's beautiful, love that look. And you know what, if you want her attention, basically say to her, Kiara, look this way, because otherwise she's looking at someone else's camera. So don't be afraid to say, Kiara, look this way. Kiara, look this way. All right, because I'm going to go like this and say, Kiara, look this way. And then I know that I've got her attention in the photo, all right? Okay, so off you go.